Best Car Insurance Comparison Sites app. The pros, the cons. The Best Car Insurance Comparison Sites app promises to save users time and money by showing multiple quotes in one place. Most people get this wrong by comparing only one provider, but here's the surprising truth: rates can vary drastically depending on coverage, location, and discounts. A major pro is convenience. The app lets users enter basic vehicle and driver information once, then instantly view multiple quotes side by side. For example, a 30-year-old driver with a clean record might see a 25% price difference between providers for the same coverage. Another advantage is transparency. Users can compare premiums, deductibles, coverage options, and even customer reviews. You won't believe how often hidden fees or exclusions get uncovered when you use a comparison tool rather than a single provider's website. The cons include limited depth. Some apps only provide estimates, and final quotes may change after a full underwriting review. Certain sites may also omit smaller insurers or regional providers that could offer better deals. In conclusion, the Best Car Insurance Comparison Sites app is a valuable resource for anyone shopping for auto coverage. It simplifies the process, highlights cost differences, and empowers users to make informed decisions. While it's not a replacement for direct policy review, it's the fastest way to see your options and identify potential savings.